there, welcome to our channel. We are Rich, Christy, and Tyler. And this is our home, a catamaran sailboat named Sail Pending. Travel along with us and sail on Sail Pending. The island of Grand Turk has two anchorages. The northern anchorage, Turks Head, is where the town is located. The southern anchorage is where Customs is located and where the cruise ships dock. Now that we're all checked in, we'll take you on a tour of the anchorage. The water in this anchorage is some of the clearest water we've ever seen. The anchorage is not very large, and there's a lot of day charter boats that are here on mooring balls. Near the beach you can anchor in 10 feet of water, but it quickly drops off to over 30 feet. After that is a wall that drops to more than 3,000 feet. The day that we got here, there was not a cruise ship in, so we were fine anchoring near the dock. But around 6:30 the next morning, we were asked to move because there was a ship on its way in. This anchorage is beautiful. It's just like the scene out of any postcard. The beach is lined with palm trees and thousands of beach chairs. And since there was not a ship in on the day we arrived, we had the beach completely to ourselves. To clear Customs, park your dinghy up on the beach near the northern dock. Walk through the fence at Jack's restaurant and out towards the road. Make a left, and then you'll see the Customs house right after the green fence. Well, it looks like we're getting about 4,000 new neighbors, so I guess it's time to leave. Next we head to the anchorage of South Caicos, so stay tuned.